discuss how to use log table. As all of you know that the log table is there in advanced mathematics, it is there in inorganic chemistry, physics, everywhere we have to use log table. So it is very important topic for all. Even in APSC and UPSC examination also, certain questions are based on log table. So as you can see, to find log table, one very simple formula of logarithm we have to use, that is log a to the base a is always 1. So similarly, if suppose here 100 is given, 100 can be written as 10 square. So we can see that 2 will come this side according to the formula of logarithm, and 10 to the base 10 is what? 1. So value of this is what? 2. Let's start how to find the logarithm. Say we have to find the log of 534.2. So always the value of log has two parts. One part is called characteristics and the another decimal part is called mantissa. This decimal part is called mantissa. That is, to find log we have to find characteristics and then mantissa. Let's see how to find characteristics. It is very simple. To find characteristics, you have to convert the given value in scientific notation. So here the value is 534.2. To convert into scientific notation, we have to move this decimal 2 digits. As because in scientific notation, before decimal there can be only 1 digit. So if I will move this decimal to 2 place in the left direction, it will become 5.342, and since I moved the digit 2 digit in the left direction, I have to write 10 to the power 2. If suppose we have to move the decimal in the right direction, then we have to write the power as negative. For example, 0.05342 if it is given, then our required value will be, this decimal we have to bring here, so it will be 5.342 into 10 to the power, how many digits we have moved? 1 and 2 digits, so we have to give here minus 2. Now this will help us to decide what is the characteristics. What is the power of 10? That is the characteristics. That is, in this case, the characteristics is 2. Here the characteristics is 2, and in this case the second one, the characteristics is minus 2. So this is the way we can find what? Characteristics. Now next we have to find what? Mantissa. Now see how we can find the mantissa. So here we have to find the mantissa of log 534.2. We have to find its log. So the rule is there, to find mantissa, we have to see the 4 significant digits given in the question. So when we say significant digits, we have to take from left to right. So here only 4 digits are there, 5342. So our significant digits are 5342. Your questions may be given like this, 0.03245. So in your case, the significant digit is this one, 3245. You have to take care. The 0 is not the significant digit. We have to take what? 3245. Or say it is given like this, 0.32 only. Then here to only 2 digits are there. So we have to take 4 significant digits. So you will take 32 and then 20 from your side. So this is the way to take 4 significant digits. Then by using table, we have to find the mantissa. So let's see how to use the table. For this purpose, you have to use table. So I have drawn just a sample of it, as because I have to find the value of 5342. So the process to use the table is that you take this first 2 digit. So here first 2 digit is 53. In the table, 53 in column 4. In column 4, you see what is the value. That is the rule. Here what is the number given? That 2 number you see in the series, and then here what is the number? In that column you see the value. So I have written here 53 in the fourth column, the value is 7275. It is 7275. Then the last digit, that is the fourth digit, you have to find the mean difference in the same row, that is in the 53. So here the number is 2. So I will see in 53 what is the mean difference in the column 2. So I have written here it is 2. Now you write here and then you add these two values. You have to add these two values to find your mantissa. So we got characteristics as well as mantissa. In this case, the characteristics we got 2 and the mantissa is this one, 7277. So the value of log 534.2 is 2.7277. This is the way to find what? Log. So here we have used one table. That table looks like this. This is the table which we have to use. This is the log table. Here you can see I have marked 53 in the fourth column. You can see the value is 7275. And here in the side it is given mean difference. In the column 2 the mean difference is 2. So this is the way we have to observe the table.